Today we are going to show you how to install apps directly from the Google Play Store onto your panels through Newline Display Management. First, select Repositories from the left-hand menu. Choose Packages from the new list. On the top bar, you will see a plus icon. Click on Add New. In the first option, select Upload Method and choose Package from Play Store. From there, you need to copy and paste the Google Play Store URL. For today, we're going to download Starfall. Now we select Upload. The package name will auto-generate, but you can always rename it if you want to. We're just going to name it Starfall. Now all we have to do is click Confirm. Now the Starfall package has been added directly from the Google Play Store. Now let's walk through how to add it to any panel that you wish. First, go to Active Devices. Now we will select the panel we want to download Starfall on. Once the panel overview screen is up, you can see all of the apps that are currently included on this panel. To add Starfall, we're going to go to Repository Actions on the right-hand side. Then we will select Install Packages. Now we see that Starfall that we just downloaded is now available. We're going to select on Starfall and then click Apply. Now, when we close this window, we'll see that Starfall has successfully downloaded onto this panel.